Sentence. After I got home it rained. I like English and also like Spanish. The bus was late because many students missed the class. She studied very hard in order to pass the test. I could do my own cooking, but it would be a state of years. I haven't eaten always lunch. Where we want to ask me in our note, we are going to speak English. They were made constantly. They planned had been discovered. I like singing, even though it's really hard. Since you hurry, you will be late for the class.